Guys, today we are going to harvest beautiful and delicious kinnos from our one and only kinno tree at Model Town, Lahore. In the end, we will enjoy its delicious taste. Let's get some information about kinno at the start. The kinno is a high-yield mandarin hybrid cultivated extensively in the wider Punjab region of Pakistan. Its harvesting starts when the fruit's external colour becomes orange, from December to February. The best harvesting time is mid-January to mid-February. Coating kinno fruits with commercial waxes can increase the shelf life up to 60 days. The fruit can be stored in cold storage at a temperature of 4 to 5 degrees Celsius, 39 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit, and a relative humidity of 85 to 90%.